USS Chicago, actual to dry dock shelter. We have a go.
DDS hangar flooded. Full pressure.
Begin deployment.
Team 1, STV is away. Hotel 6, bearing 019er.
USS Dallas deploying Team 2. RV at the objective.
Hotel 6, depth 20 meters.
Team 2 at the objective.
Хватит смолить этот рак. Лакея посадишь.
In position. Let's take them out together. On your go. Two hostiles down in Section 1 Alpha. Moving up to Section 2. Roger that, Hotel 6. Keep it tight, people. Got a visual battle railing. 3 to engage. Suppressed weapons only. We're clear. Civilian hostages at your position. Watch your fire. Roger that. Team 1 moving to breach.
Precious cargo secured in Section 2 Echo.
Roger that, Hotel 6. Team 2 will secure an evac. Continue your search topside. Okay, move upstairs. Control, we're advancing to Deck 2. Eyes open. Watch your sectors. Enemy helo patrolling the perimeter. Keep a low profile, Hotel 6. Roger that. Helo approaching. Get down. All clear. Move up. Hotel 6, more hostages are at your position. Copy that. Clear. Control, all Deck 2 hostages secured.
Группа 5, прием! Ответьте базе! Мать, ты там? Ответь базе! Мы слаем группу вниз.
Enemy radio. I think we're gonna have company, sir. Set up a plan B. Get some C4 on those bodies. Go.
Группа 5, ответьте базе! Прием! Повторяю.
C4 place, sir. Get to an elevated position. We'll ambush them when they discover the bodies. There's a patrol. Hold your fire until they're closer. Stand by. Stand by.
Вражеская техника и вертолеты замечены в 15 километрах рядом с шоссе.
Do it. Control, this is Hotel 6. Our cover is blown. Copy that. Intel still indicates hostages and possible explosives on the top deck. Your team needs to secure that location before we can send LZ Bravo. CENTCOM needs us to take the top deck ASAP so they can send in the Marines. Move.
Roach, targeting your 2 o'clock.
Cover me! Move. Contact at your 12 o'clock. Let's drag it in. Target neutralized. Roach, target 2 o'clock. Hotel 6, hostages from lower decks are being extracted by Team 2. Proceed to the top deck ASAP to secure the rest. Over. Copy that. We're working on it. Out.
Cover me.
Вижу противника слева!
Watch your fire. Peasant. Contact 2 o'clock. Watch your fire. Enemy helo! Take cover! Target at your 3 o'clock. Can't get a shot. He's out on my other side.
Ghost, hostile taking cover near those fuel containers.
Got a visual.
Противник слева!
Find some heavy ordnance to take down that bomb. Got a man down. They're on your line. I don't have a shot. Got him. I can't get a clear shot. Skyhawk, target at your 3 o'clock. I can't get a shot. I want heavy weapons fired on that chopper now.
У них нательная броня с
I can't get a clear shot. Nice shot, Roach. The clock's ticking. We need to get topside and secure any remaining hostages before we call in the Marines.
Противника справа!
Contact to the east. Split up. We can flank through these hallways.
Кидаю гранату!
Cover me.
Впереди солдаты противника!
Hostile spotted by the long red dumpster.
Target acquired. Roach, I've got target beyond the stack of the demo truck. Target neutralized. Robot, target's on the move. I don't have a shot.
Они атакуют слева!
Take it down.
Сержант, что слышно на правом фланге?
Они
Let's
хотят
go. Those hostages aren't going to rescue themselves. Ghost, move on me. Roach, contact 2 o'clock. They're popping smoke. Enemies are using thermal optics. Switching to thermal scope. Right out. Target at your 2 o'clock. Hotel 6, be advised, the hostages have been confirmed at your location along with possible explosives. Over. Copy that. All teams check your fire. We don't know what's behind these doors. Target at 11 o'clock. Fire! Ghost, cover me. Copy that. I'm on it. hostages have been secured. I repeat, all hostages secured. Proceeding to LZ Bravo. Over. Good job, Hotel 6. Marine reinforcements are inserting now to dismantle the SAM sites. Get your team ready for phase 2 of the operation. Out.
Hunter 2-2, this is Punisher Actual. Go plat secure. All EOD teams are cleared for landing.
Roger, Punisher. Hunter 2-2 copies all.
Punisher, this is Phoenix 1-1, flight of 2 F-15s en route to grid 257221 for CI mission. Requesting SITREP over. Punisher, all flights in vicinity of grid 255202. Local airspace is secure. I repeat, local airspace is secure. Proceed on course to target area along route November 2.
Punisher, this is Hunter Actual. Hunter 2-2 is moving to secure the SAM site at the southwest corner of main deck. Hunter 2-3 is proceeding towards the derrick building to disarm the explosives.
Punisher Actual to all strike teams. All SAM sites neutralized. Repeat, all SAM sites have been neutralized. Blue sky in effect.